Welcome back, children. And this is the last part of the chapter symmetry. This already you have learned. Let us again revise. So, one shape which is exactly like the other shape, when the shape is either moved, flipped, or rotated, then we say that one is the symmetry of the other one, right? So, that means even by rotating, if it shows the same shape, even by flipping it shows the same shape. Even by moving from one place to the other also it is showing the same shape. Then we call it is symmetry. Okay, so let us see an example here. I have written the alphabet B. Now axis of symmetry. I think you people can see that the line which is passing through the center of the B horizontally, that is the axis of symmetry here. So about this, suppose if I flip it, right, if I close this, if I fold the paper like this, I can see that these two match together. That means this and this both are of same shape. Now if I take a rectangle, if I flip it or I fold it, so this and this is same shape. If I fold vertically, this and this are of same shape. So these lines are called axis of symmetry. So the line or the imaginary line about which either unfolding or on rotating or on flipping, if the body is showing the symmetrical properties, then we call that to be axis of symmetry. Okay, so now next one is rotational symmetry. Suppose if you are taking an equilateral triangle, see, if I rotate by this axis, right, like this, if I rotate the triangle about this axis, so then also it is showing the same. If I rotate by this axis also, then this shape is same. If I rotate by this axis also, the shape is same. Now coming to this one, if I rotate by this axis, not an issue, this comes here and this goes here, so what happens? Same shape. But can I do it like this? See, this is different from this size. It is, picture shows that these two sides are equal. This is an isosceles triangle, right? But this side is not equal to this. So therefore I cannot rotate by this. By rotating this by 180 degrees, this will come here and this will go there. Exactly opposite they will be, right? So this cannot be of rotational symmetry. Now if I take rectangle, so I can rotate about the length, I can rotate about the width. If I take square, I can also rotate about this one. Why? Because for square, you have this half and this half to be equal. But in case of rectangle, no, they are oppositely oriented. So in case of rectangle, you cannot rotate along the diagonal. But in case of square, you can rotate along the diagonal. Now if it is a circle, infinite axis of symmetry, rotational symmetry will be there. Any direction, anywhere, about any axis. So it shows the similar symmetrical relationships, right? So this is about rotational symmetry. So now take the screenshot. Symmetry, axis of symmetry, examples, then rotational symmetry, examples. Now the last one is point symmetry. See, every part has a matching in this, right? At the same distance from the central part, but in opposite direction. As we have seen previously, rectangle, suppose if you rotate by diagonal, what happens? That symmetry is exactly in opposite directions. Okay, so like this. Suppose if you take from the central part, right, this shape, how much distance it is, like from the central part, this is also at the same distance but in opposite direction. What the shape you have here, it is facing the x-axis, that means downward, and this shape is facing upward. Can you see that opposite behavior of the symmetry? Yes. And here also. So this is N, alphabet N. If you just draw a central point here, and you can see that. So here this line is dropping here down and this is moving up. So this is opposite symmetry. Okay, and here if you take the alphabet S, so this curve is on the positive side of x-axis and positive side of y-axis, whereas this is at negative x-axis and negative y-axis. So exactly opposite. So this is what we call as point symmetry. So with this we completed the chapter. Please try to complete the exercise, and this is the easiest chapter. Everything theoretical. So better you read the lesson also from the textbook. So that will help you in writing the test properly. See you again. Take the screenshot and copy, ma.